loves, how are you all doing? You are welcome back to today's video.
What we do, though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this my beautiful and simple all back. I'm going to lose my hair first of all, comb, and then apply my hair cream. After that, then we get to the video. So first of all, you section out the amount of hair that you'll be braiding, and just make sure the line is as clean as you can make it to be. So then I'm just going to section out the amount that I need, and I'm showing you guys the back. I did my best. Please do not judge me. Pack the hair to make sure it will not disturb you while you're braiding, and use your finger, the thumb and the index finger, to hold the hair, and use the index finger to bring the next hair just like I did here, and then you braid. Just look at how I'm doing it, and yeah, I hope you get it. Just keep doing that and you get a perfect braid. You're going to use the thumb and the index finger. They are the main character in braiding, at least I think so. So braid, braid, braid till the end.
There's nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we're the Marvelous family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach. Let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. And no matter what if it lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. We are the Marvelous family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach. Let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall.
So guys, we are doing the same thing here. Use the index and the thumb just like I showed you guys. Bring out little hair from the front and bring out another one. After that, you use your index finger to pick hair under the other side, just like I just did in the video. Please guys, watch the video or rewatch it if you don't get me. The index finger and the thumb are the main character on this hair, or with this hairstyle. If you're trying to make it the index and the thumb, if you don't get me, you can rewatch the video. So thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much, or subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time, thank you so much for clicking. Please, after watching, if you found it helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will mean a lot. It will help me a lot. Share to your family and friends whom you think might need it. Like and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch till the end. Love you. Bye bye.
There is nothing we can try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. And no matter what if it lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. We are the Marvelous family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach, let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there is nothing we can't try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love, we will conquer it all. And no matter what if it lows, we will always stand tall. In our family love.
If you watched till this time, I hope you learned one or two things. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.